thunderstorm warning for west central Calhoun County, northeastern St. Clair County, until 6:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:11 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Harrisburg, or near Odinville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour.
Over something.
Hazard, 60 miles
Okay,
per
there
hour
it is.
wind gusts.
Okay, I found it.
Source,
Shit.
radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rainbow City, Springville, Odinville, Asheville, Riverside, Raglan, Mohatchee, Steele, Neely Henry Lake, Logan Martin Lake, Alabama International Dragway, Wattsville, Neely Henry Dam, and I-59 rest areas at Oneonta. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: St. Clair, Alabama,